Ay, ay, ay. My mind is like in a whole other world of just tiredness. Hey guys, so today is Wednesday and I have class at 1 p.m. today. I have been up since 6 p.m. No, 6 a.m. I've been up since 6 a.m. and I took a shower already. I edited and posted the vlog and I'm about to read and then I'll get ready for school and then lift to school. Yeah. As you can see, I am breaking out like crazy and I look really gross, but at this point, y'all see me without my makeup. You'll continue to see me without my makeup, and really, honestly, this vlog is making me just embrace myself, imperfections and all. I look crummy, but you know what? Never gonna be perfect, and I'm okay with that. Well, sometimes I'm okay with it, and sometimes I'm like, but I gotta accept it. I gotta learn to accept it. Anyways, so that's the plan today. Honestly, the whole... Anyways, the entire oh, my brain. The entire Labor Day weekend, I spent it reading. And when I was not reading, I was running errands like grocery shopping or cleaning the house. And still, somehow, the house becomes a mess. I mean, look at all the shirts up there. I don't even understand how it gets there. It's not mine, obviously, it's Bernard. But like, you know, he works a lot and he's picked up more days working. And I am at school or I'm at internship or I'm reading, and there's just not enough time in the day to do everything that we need. So it is what it is. I try to clean when I take breaks from reading or I'm not sleeping and trying to catch up on some rest, because every day that passes, I feel like I'm getting more and more tired, and I wake up and then I just think about all the things that still needs to be done or that hasn't been done. Yeah. Oh! So I am thinking about some things, and I know I've said I was gonna record all these things and I want to do all these things and I just haven't had the time, but I really do. I really want to put some time aside to do it. Because I rather start doing and recording these things now, because in a couple weeks it's actually gonna get a lot more stressful. So yeah. And imagine, and imagine it's only week 3. It's only week 3. But the funny part is, although I am so tired and there's so much to do, I'm enjoying all of it. Like, I like being back at school. Despite all the reading, I enjoy what I'm reading, and I like being on campus. I love internship and the people that I'm meeting. So it's all worth it. And all this tiredness and all this work will be worth it in the end, because it's all for my career in the future, wherever that may take me. So yeah. Bella got her vaccinations yesterday. She was such a good girl. No crying.
Alright guys, we're going to IKEA. Yvonne's hating on me because I like to fart and release my stress after work. Look at her. So, we'll be back when we reach IKEA. Say something.
I love you.
I love you too.
The dream kitchen right here.
Oh, welcome to my kitchen.
You're so funny.
These, they're called boomerang slippers because they boomer and they rang.
Hey guys, so okay.
Are you afraid? I'm very afraid.
Is lighting better here? Ooh, the lighting is so much better here. Okay. Hey guys, so we are at IKEA and we are trying to find a table that is going to be a long table where part of it will be my makeup table and part of it will be for me and him to study at because we started school and I can't keep studying on the bed and he can't concentrate very well unless he's sitting at a table. So yeah, we're here to look for a table. Hopefully we find one. Okay, bye. Not really bye because I'll still be recording. People are staring at me. I'm gonna stop recording now. Yeah, this is my dream place. Like, wouldn't it be so cool if you could be out and you're looking at this, like, chilling outside. Goals, dreams, wishes. But instead, we will live it out here in IKEA. Yeah. Let us go on an adventure. Together, we'll go on an adventure. Seriously though, look at how cute this is. I don't know him.
Are we gonna eat here?
No,
You never feed me.
because you're supposed to feed me.
I'm starving.
Let's go home
See
then.
what they have.
Okay.
You might end up
Oh,
eating here
that's so
anyway.
good.
It's my payment for your massage.